The Nissan Juke, particularly models from 2011 to 2017, is known for CVT transmission failures. These continuously variable transmissions are prone to belt wear and overheating, leading to symptoms like shuddering and loss of power. CVT systems use belts and pulleys instead of gears, making them susceptible to wear under high load. Early 1.6-liter turbo engines in the Juke also have problems with timing chain stretch, leading to rattling noises and possible engine failure. To address CVT issues, perform fluid flushes every 30,000 miles and consider ECU reprogramming. For timing chain problems, replace the chain, tensioners, and guides, costing between $1,500 and $3,000. Nissan settled a class action lawsuit in 2024, providing extended warranties for CVT repairs on 2013 to 2017 Juke models. Electrical glitches like infotainment crashes and battery drain are common in Nissan Jukes. These issues often stem from software bugs or faulty components. Solutions typically involve software updates to fix bugs. Additionally, ensure the alternator and battery are in good condition to prevent power drain. Post-2023, CVT complaints have decreased significantly due to improved fluids and software. Many owners now choose manual transmissions to avoid CVT issues altogether. The Juke Nismo features e-Power hybrid technology, which reduces stress on the traditional engine. Nissan plans full electrification by 2030, potentially phasing out CVTs in new models. Used Jukes are available at low prices, but proactive servicing is essential. Monitor CVT fluid levels and address rust to ensure long-term reliability.